Unlocking the meaning of a bite at the cherry. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, a bite at the cherry. This expression is not just fruity in its literal sense but carries a deeper meaning in various contexts. Stay with us as we explore its origins, meanings, and how you can use it to enrich your English conversations. A bite at the cherry refers to an opportunity to achieve something or to get something valuable. It suggests a chance that might not come around again, so it's akin to saying, a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. However, it can also imply having another opportunity to achieve something you've attempted before. The key aspect here is the value and rarity of the opportunity, much like cherries can be seasonal and sought after. The phrase likely originates from the visual appeal and desirability of cherries as a fruit, which are not always easily available and can be quite tempting. It taps into the idea that getting a chance to bite into something as delightful as a cherry implies a rare and welcome opportunity. While the exact origin is hard to pinpoint, it's a phrase that encapsulates the universal appeal of cherries and the excitement of getting a desirable chance at something. Using a bite at the cherry in conversation can add a layer of richness to your language. Here are a few examples. In motivational contexts, don't give up on your dreams. Everyone deserves a bite at the cherry of success. In business and work, the new project offers us a bite at the cherry to showcase our best work. In everyday decisions, choosing this college gives me a bite at the cherry to study under renowned professors. Remember, it's about highlighting the opportunity and the potential value of what's being offered. Similar expressions include a shot at the title or a crack at it, both suggesting an opportunity to try or achieve something. However, a bite at the cherry uniquely combines the notions of rarity, desirability, and opportunity. We hope this video has given you a fruitful understanding of the phrase, a bite at the cherry. It's a beautiful way to talk about opportunities and chances in life, business, or any endeavor. So next time you get that chance, remember, it's your bite at the cherry. Make it count. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video. Remember, English is a rich language full of vivid expressions and idioms that can add color to your conversations. Keep learning, and don't hesitate to take your bite at the cherry of mastering English.